Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis. For gold and starting with Forex Factory, today we have 7 p.m. Heavy impact news for USD FOMC meeting minutes, so that may affect the gold price. Other than that, there's no USD news, heavy impact news or medium impact, which may affect gold. Now, going on to monthly chart, so previously there was a double doji, and this month I expect market to come down, and that's what is happening at the moment. And if you wanna have a learning purpose, if you wanna see, this was the start of the price, and market went up, and then market went up, and then broke the start of the price. So that's and now in weekly, the market is already down, as we see, and market broke the weekly previous week's end closing price, and then came down. To track that price, put this here, the closing price, and see, say market is down from there. All right, in daily is where you can see that market is bearish as well, and this structure was broken. Now there's a double bottom here, and that market went up a little bit, filled this fair value gap in daily, and then came down, and then broke to the downside. This and another bottom here, and the structure level on the left as well. Market went to the upside, stopped at this structure level after. Let me see if there's any fair value gaps here. There's not, I can see in these time frames. But anyway, this was a strong level here, as you can see here. The market came down. And now in 4 hours, what's happening? 4 hours, making lower lows, and I'm expecting the market to come down further. However, we don't take trade with expectations. We have to make sure that our entry and exit strategies are less risky. So that's what we do to make good profit. And the trend is down, as you can see. And there's a fair value gap. This, by the way, is a 4-hour chart, and maybe we can get a good trade from here for sell. And the 1 hour bearish. We also have a fair value gap here in 1 hour as well. And currently, market already tested this order block. And once this is broke, then we can look forward to the downside, this area, and further we can look this area. And going on to the 15 minutes, see what's happening. Let's close all this and break our structure here. For learning purpose, you always use Fibonacci. You know 50% level is tested here of these fair value gap candles of this leg, and market came down. Now this was the break of structure level, and it's currently being respected in here as well. So it's possible the market come down from here to the downside, but better if it takes liquidity from here, then we take sell from here. Otherwise, in higher time frame, 1 hour, we have to sell from this leg. So this fair value candles, right? And let's go into 4 hour and see how our Fibonacci worked here. We previously discussed that, tested 2.23, went to the upside, and 0.38 we had a trade there as well. In fact, 0.23 was not tested. That was if from this leg, but this new leg tested 0.38 and went to the upside, 0.50 went to the upside, 0.61. There was a rejection and to the upside, and now next level 0.78. So most likely the market will come to the 0.78 level, but we have to, for the sell, we have to make sure we have good confirmation here, and then market keep going down. That's 4 hours. Let's see different other time frames. So as I said, this is a level, and then going on to one hedge. There's a small level here, so may see some liquidity sweep around this area. So let's see. Anyway, you can always use RSI or indicate moving averages to help you to take trade if you're not sure. But even if you have good structure knowledge, that can still be enough. Okay, so I hope it's helpful. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.